Hey guys, what's up? How we all doing? So today we're gonna do the brand unboxing of the OnePlus Wireless Z Bass Edition neckband, which was released last year. Well, this is my second Bluetooth headphone, and I'm just excited about this unboxing. The Boat wireless headphone was my first ever Bluetooth headphone. So guys, without further ado, we will straight away jump into our unboxing video of OnePlus Wireless Z headphone. I have bought this product from Amazon for the price of rupees 1999. This product is available in both Amazon as well as Flipkart. If you guys wanna buy this product from direct OnePlus store, you can. This product is available in OnePlus store as well. The one that I bought is Bass Blue edition of OnePlus headphone. This Bluetooth earphone comes in three color variants. Those are River Red, Bass Blue and Black. Some of the most highlighted features of this Bluetooth earphones are it comes with a Bluetooth version 5.0, watt charging, 17 hours of playback time and noise cancellation. So, the Bluetooth version 5.0 is compatible with all your smartphone brands. This headphone claims that it has a Bluetooth coverage of 10-meter distance. And the most interesting feature of this Bluetooth earphone is that it comes with a watt charging. That is, if you charge this headphone for 10 minutes, you can able to enjoy a 10 hours of playback time of music and movies. The manufacturer claims that if you fully charge this headphone, you should be able to enjoy a 17 hours of playback time if you maintain the volume level of around 50 to 60%, which in reality would be roughly you will be getting 14 to 15 hours of playback time. And this headphone also comes with a noise cancellation and IP55 water and sweat proof resistance. This box comes with the products itself and some earbuds, few paperworks and the USB Type-C cable to charge up the headphone. So since it is a USB Type-C, it is obvious that you will get a fast charging of the headphones. Alright, here comes our product. Wow, it looks very cool. The bass blue color of this headphone looks very attractive. I usually choose black color for all my gadgets. For a change, I thought why cannot buy this bass blue color, but now I am very much satisfied with the design and color of the headphone. The top part of the headphone is made up of rubber kind of material which I felt very smooth and premium to hold it. Also, this Bluetooth headphone weighs around only 26 gram which I felt very lightweight whenever I wear this headphone on my neck. The predecessor of this particular headphone was OnePlus Wireless Z Normal Edition, which was sold at a same price range. The main disadvantage that people consider in this headphone was the bass volume of this particular headphone was not up to the mark. So the manufacturer re-engineered the bass for the latest OnePlus Wireless Z Bass Edition with the new 9.2 mm dynamic driver, which will you will get a experience of rich sound and superior tonality whenever you press play the headphone. The most common feature nowadays with all kind of Bluetooth neckbands is that magnetic on-off control. This Bluetooth headphone also comes with this feature, which will be helpful for you to save lot of battery and extend for a long time usage. This headphone has been gaining popularity from the day it got launched. It has been flowing with all kinds of positive reviews and ratings everywhere, including both Amazon and Flipkart. Considering its features and value it offers for the money, I would rate this headphone to be 9 out of 10. So that's it for today's videos guys. I hope you enjoyed well and got some information about this Bluetooth headphone. If you guys intended to buy this headphone, I have mentioned the buying links of Amazon and Flipkart of the headphone in the description box below. Please do check it out. If you're a person who doesn't want to spend much money in their headphones, at the same time you want to get a long playback time and want to experience a crisp and clear sound quality, I would recommend you to go for this product, and you will not get disappointed after buying this product for sure. Guys, this is not any kind of a sponsored or a branded videos. It's all my own experience and perspective. Thanks for watching guys. If you wanna enjoy watching more review and unboxing videos like this, please consider subscribing to my channel and hit on that bell icon to get instant notification whenever I upload the videos. If you like this content, please consider hitting that blue like button, because that will motivate me to do a more review and unboxing videos like this in the near future. Alright guys, I'll catch up with you on another exciting video like this. Until then, spread love and positivity.